What's up, everybody? This is Aircrete Harry, and today I'm in Colorado. It's October 2nd, and besides sharing the beauty of this land, I came to share this. My supplies for building the dome, I finally have. I went to Italy, Texas to pick up my trailer, which I just got. It's a Happy trailer sales, a P&J trailer. Really nice trailer, brand new, 20 footer, 2,700 pound trailer. And I have my airforms, yes. So what you see here is a 20 foot, a 22 foot, a 30 foot, a 32 foot, a 9 foot tall by 9 foot wide 40-foot hallway tunnel, as well as my double blower for inflating the airforms. This is the motor for operating the cement pump. The cement pump is one of the key pieces of equipment because I'll be using the eco shell style, and you shotcrete your cement onto the airform. So this is a shaker deck. So this shakes. So you put your aggregates in there and shake it up, and then that'll fall into your hopper. And then your motor over there will spin this chain here, which will move those wheels, which pumps. So this is great for pumping cement slurry as well as Aircrete, which will be used for my insulation. And then the last thing on my trailer is this giant crate that I just picked up. It's almost 7 feet wide and 7 by 7 by like 5 feet tall or something. It's huge. It's about 3,200 pounds of basalt rebar. That's right, there's basalt rebar. There's enough in there to do 6 30-foot domes. Anyway, I'll be showing the rebar later, but I'm excited. I finally got my supplies. It took a long time to get everything together. Some things were ordered months ago. Other things, as I went on, I picked up all the airforms to add to my design. So anyway, I'm not only going to be using these airforms for my own project, but I'll be using these airforms for your project also. So long as you're looking for a 22, a 20, a 30, and 32 foot dome. I also have 8 foot and 9 foot domes diameter. So if you're interested in having a dome built using the technique that I've come up with, you just reach out to me, aircreteharry@gmail.com, and we'll discuss your budget and what you envision for a dome. That's it for now. Anyway, this is Aircrete Harry. I love you all, and I'll catch you later.